Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. Here is the quick simple review of the Style Find. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Easy to assemble and 5 years sweet service with the simple structure, detailed instruction and all tools needed. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. The key positives are daily wear, good value, and easy choice. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. A real customer review mentioned that it brief content visible, double tap to read full content. My simple verdict: the Style Find looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.